If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps and LED signature. Black grille with satin granite rings. 19-inch satin granite aluminum wheels. Black side roof rails. Satin granite exterior accents. Heated front seats. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Navigation. Park view rear backup camera. Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. SiriusXM satellite radio. Beats premium audio system. Electric park brake. Tungsten accent stitching. Full sunroof with power front and fixed rear. Power liftgate. 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5440.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.